Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will move further and I will show you one more important and a very beautiful feature in this solid edge template, which is the recipe thing. So for that purpose you should have the plugin add, which is the name of that plugin is pencil recipe, which will be in your plugins list. If you don't have, you can install that plugin, and after that you can actually create your own recipes. So first of all, I will just create a I will just create a category for the posts. So let's go here, categories, and let's create a new category, and we will just name this category as a recipes. Okay, and recipes, because it's a very nice feature, so I'm just adding it with our other categories. So after that we can hold it as a parent category, and let's add a new category. And now the category is added, and now simply we will just go to the posts and we will just create a new post. And similarly, as we add a title, as we can add some text and the feature image of that recipe, and then we can actually choose the recipes here from the category. Okay, and the most important thing is that under this you will find out a section here which is called the recipe for these posts. So here you can add your recipe title, your serving for prep time, and a lot of other things are here. So you can actually put these fields, and after that you can see details, instructions, notes, etc. And then you can save the recipe, and it will be saved as your main recipe thing. Okay, here you can see we have the reviews section as well, where you can add the reviews title, etc., and add a new review if you want to add certain reviews, and a lot of other things are here. Okay, so I will just add certain details here and we will resume the video. Okay, so now I have added some details. You can see that we have the title, we have some description, and the feature image, and category is selected. I have added the feature image. Then here in the recipes section you can see that I have added the title of the recipe, then the serving for, preparation time, cooking time, and etc, and also the ingredients, and also the instruction, and also the notes. Okay, and after that we can simply save this recipe, and that's it, our recipe is published. So now the recipe is added, and now let's show it on the main website. So here you can see that although we have added the category and the post, but it will not be visible on our website because we didn't have added any category menu here. Okay, so what we can do, we can just go to the appearances and the menus, and then here in the menus we can definitely add a new menu. So here you can see we have this category, and we will just select the recipes categories, add to menu, and it should be the main menu. Okay, and then we will just save it, and after saving we will just refresh, and hopefully now we will have the recipe menu here. Yeah, now you can see recipes. So if you click on recipes, you will see that we will have only one recipe for now. Our recipe will be visible in a beautiful style. Okay, so here is the description, and okay, where are the details? Where are details? Okay, the description is there, but other details are not. So what is the issue? I will just recheck. Okay, so let's go to the recipes page, and let's check what we are missing out. So let's go to edit, let's move further, and yeah, yes, here you can see that we have this pencil preview index, pencil review, and we should have a code for the pencil recipe. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this is the short code which we need to add within the recipe description. Okay, so here we will just come here, and let's come here, and here we will just add a short code, and for the short code we have this solidate shortcode thing, and let's add it here. Text pencil recipe. Okay, direct we have this pencil recipe, so let's click just add it here, and let's update, and now let's find it out that whether our recipe is now in a proper way or not. So let's go again to the recipes and recipe, and yeah, now you can see we have a nice recipe over here. We have the table of contents, we have the small description, title of the is in place, and beautiful. So that's great. You can see that in this way we can add the recipes in our website. So I will just add some 4 or 5 recipes, and then we will move further to next step.